Hello YouTuber, Andrew here and welcome to my channel. We are back today with another review video about a site called MoneyMakerLand. But there's a kind of irony here because even though it's called that, actually you cannot make money out of it. And I know now probably a lot of you are thinking, so if I cannot make money out of it, why I'm even wasting my time watching this video, right? Or why should I even try this site? Well, you should try it because the main purpose for this site is to help you get direct referrals easy and fast for any business you're involved in. All right? And you know that direct referrals means money. Okay? Now, before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, it's quite new. And if you like the video, hit that like button or leave a comment down below. Any suggestions, I'd appreciate it. Any support, I'd appreciate it too. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump to my PC and check out this site. Stay tuned. So here we are, guys. This is the dashboard of my account, which would be almost the same for everyone who signs up. You can input your profile picture here. There are some basic info about your account. And don't get overwhelmed from all these pages or options or commands or whatever. It's not too difficult to navigate and use this site. All right. Now, the idea is pretty simple. You earn points and you use those points to advertise your business, URL, or whatever affiliate link you're involved in. All right. Now, you can earn points different ways. If we go here or here, get points, we can check out the different ways you can earn points. Now, you can buy them, of course, from 500 points, which is €1, and it is in euros because the developer for this site and the admin is Italian. All right. Up to 38,000 points for €50, which is pretty convenient. Okay. The second way to earn points is to suggest a new business. If the business you are using is not found here in MoneyMakerLand's list, you can suggest it and then you will get 1,500 points and 2 days of free reservations. All right, but what does a reservation mean before we get into that? Let's check out make a reservation, this option here. Now, say you are using these sites, Easy Eats for You, Honeygain as an app, Neobox, SEO Clerks, and Leadsleep. Okay, you already found them here in MoneyMakerLand's list. All right. Now, if you are looking for direct referrals, like I said, the main purpose for this site is to help you get direct referrals. You make a reservation for the business you want your referral to sign up to. All right. So say if I choose Neobox, it will open this page. And there are two options, the classic one and the sponsored one. The classic one has a 3.9% to get direct referrals, and the sponsored one has 4.9, and of course it costs more points. Now I don't have enough points, but if I did, I would choose this option, and I would choose a day when it's free. It says libero here, which from Italian it's free. All right. Now, as you can see, my oldest reservation here, I got 41 views, 1 click, and so on. You get the idea. Okay. Now, if you have a new business which is not found here, like I said, you get some extra points and you get 2 days of free bookings without spending your points. So 2 reservations. All right. Now, you have to keep in mind these rules here, because plagiarism is not allowed. The business you are promoting must not require an investment, so at least must be free to sign up and to use. It doesn't matter afterwards if they offer you to purchase some products or whatever, but at least it's got to be free to sign up. Businesses with a lot of negative feedback, of course, and businesses with incomprehensible languages for most. like Chinese, Russian, or Arabic, or whatever language that is not comprehensible by most. All right. For instance, I was the first user to suggest lead sleep. Okay, and as of now, I suggested it on December 11th of December, and as of now, it got 633 views and 31 referrals just from this site, from MoneyMakerLand. All right, I was the first. Someone before me tried, but apparently was denied because of plagiarism. Okay, so that's it for suggest a new business. So another way to earn points is invite a friend. This is quite obvious. You get for everyone who signs up on MoneyMakerLand through your referral link here, you earn 100 points immediately, and you get 10% of the amount that they spend. Okay, so mind that it's not the amount they earn, but it's 10% of the amount they spend. As of now, I got a lot of referrals, as you can see. Anyways, so I have a lot of referrals. And another way yet to earn points is to become a referral. Now, like I said earlier, this one is related to this one and make a reservation. Okay, because if you click here and you want to become a referral, you will see this page. And as you can see by the points here, you immediately understand that this is a classic reservation that another user of MoneyMakerLand has done for this site. So this is for today. If I go here, visit the full review, it would be the review of the user who suggested this business. So you see the connection here, right? And if you click on visit now, you will go directly to this site. And if you sign up, you will become the direct referral of the user who made the reservation for this site today. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Let's continue then. The other way to earn to earn points is to leave a review. If you click here, so of course, there are some rules. We don't accept opinions purely defamatory, opinions not true, no sense or copied opinions, plagiarism again, opinions with reference. The businesses that I use, that I declare here of using, like I showed before, are Easy Eats for You, and again, Lead Sleep, New Box, and SEO Clerks. The moment this option here, leave a new opinion, is active, you click on it, and leave your opinion, and you get whatever points they give you for your new opinion, which is, I think, 400 points, something like that. Okay, let's continue again. Leave a review, upload a payments proof. Now of course, here are some other rules, you can read them, and it's connected to the businesses you use. So for instance, if I made a withdrawal on Neobox and I want to upload that payment, the proof of that payment, I received that payment, okay, I will get 400 points. The same for every other business. All right. So I hope I'm not going too fast, but anyway, the moment you sign up, you will have a tutorial video on your dashboard, and it helps a lot, of course. Update the business, as you can guess. You can update the description. It's like the moment you suggest a new business, you have to leave your honest review. It's got to be genuine. All right, this is an update of that. So say you will review it again. All right, and you get 800 points because suggesting a new business, it takes a lot of time. You have to write your review about the site, what you like, what you dislike, how you can earn money, etc. Okay, Okay, the next way to earn points is micro job campaigns. Sometimes we offer campaigns with micro job to complete. You will receive points when your work will be approved and confirmed, of course. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but probably given my current location, I don't have access to any micro jobs campaigns, but I'm thinking it's like mini jobs, micro tasks, something like that. Okay? So hopefully you do have access to micro jobs campaigns. Unfortunately, I don't, but I don't mind that. Okay? Next, internal FOSA. By the name you can tell, every 3 hours you will solve a CAPTCHA. I already solved it, unfortunately, but you will solve a CAPTCHA, and depending on the number it comes out by solving the CAPTCHA, you will get 3 points every 3 hours. Okay? Sorry. Internal PTC, as you can guess by the name. These are ads that you click and you earn 5 points for every ad. I've already clicked the most part of it because there are a lot more ads that you can see. And you just click on one ad, wait until it loads here. All right. In the meantime, you can check the ad if you want to, of course. Or you can leave this page. Okay. Click on save the link here. Sorry. Save the link here, and you go back to the PTC site again, and you finish all the ads if you want. All right, 5 points, sorry, for each ad. And validate items. This is for users who are elite or have more than 200 experience points. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't done my research on this option because the moment I figured I'm not an elite member or had more than 200 experience points, I didn't check it out. Probably I got lazy at that point. So anyway, you can check it out on the blog of MoneyMakerLand. All right. So that's it about all the options how you can earn points. If you click the red button here, the minus button, it will get you to this page, which is the page that shows you how you can spend your points. So let's check it out. Reserve your daily link. It's the same as make a reservation. And you choose your business, for instance, Lead Sleep. And there are 2 types of reservations, just like we checked earlier. Okay? Sponsor reservations. So say if you already made a reservation for today, but you want to increase the chances to get direct referral, as you can see here, you spend an extra 400 points. For instance, today I made a reservation for Lead Sleep. If I want to increase the chances to get direct referrals, I would have to spend an additional 400 points, which unfortunately I don't have. Okay. Buy an ads banner, so you can place your ad here in MoneyMakerLand, and for 1-day display you can select different type of banners, of course, and for 1-day display you have to spend 400 points, for 3 days 1100 points, and up to 7 days 2600 points. Guest post. This is for those who own a business and they want to say declare it here on MoneyMakerLand. The moment it would be accepted by the admin after they follow all the rules, okay, they will earn 20,000 points, which of course they can spend here for to get direct referrals or signups. Internal PTC advertisement. You can place your ads in the internal PTC page that we checked earlier, and it will be shown just like this. Okay, and you can spend up to 10,000 points. So for 1 day 400 points, 3 days 1100 points, and so on until 60 days 20,000 points. So for 2 months, your ad will be shown here in the internal PTC page. Send a notification for 250 points. You choose the business, of course, and this is the list of all the members of MML, MoneyMakerLand, that have accepted to receive this type of notification. So it's like sending a message through WhatsApp or a text message to your phone. Okay, you can send a notification inviting them to join you to your business, to be your direct referral or whatever. Okay. Next, rent a MoneyMakerLand referral. For one referral for 1 month, you spend 1,000 points, and again, you can get an extra 10% of the points spent by your referral. Okay. Block ads frame. If you are tired of waiting 5 seconds on the ads frame for advertisement loading, you can block the spot. I don't use this. I don't mind. Okay, so I don't use this. It's 400 points a month, which is pretty convenient, right? 400, just 400 points for 1 month. So I guess this is it, guys, for also spending points. So, like I said, you earn points, you spend them, and you get direct referrals for your business or whatever URL or affiliate link you are promoting. Okay? I'll make sure to leave my referral link in the description of this video, so you too can join this site. It's absolutely free, and you can try it out. Hopefully it goes well for you as well. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, that notification button, so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Cheers.